How to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. First then open Gmail, and now just click here on your profile in the top corner, and now just click here on your email profile, and then click add profile picture. Now just select any picture you want here, like this one, and then just click save as profile picture. Now just wait, and then that's it. Just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to change Gmail profile picture on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.